Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you the system we were working on for one of our customers. Now we have a robotic arm in here which is flipping some product, and we did a safety risk assessment, and this is the controls we decided to put in place. Was to put a cage over it, around it, just to keep the employees safe. So this is a 3D model of the system. We've got a request to enter push button in here. And then once it's ready, we can open up the gate and we can walk inside to do any maintenance on the system or remove any jams or whatever the reason. Then we can come back out, we can shut the door, and there's actually going to be another control station here, so we can reset it and send it back to normal. And as you can see, the height is within tolerance, so people can't put their hands in and get injured. So hope you're enjoying lockdown if you're in New Zealand. If not, then hope you enjoy the video. Okay, cheers.